Welcome to Lisbon, the city of seven hills and golden sunlight. Today, we begin our journey through its historic heart. Our first stop is Alfama, the oldest district in the city, where every alleyway tells a 1,000-year-old story. Perched high above, the Castelo de São Jorge has watched over Lisbon since the 11th century. From the Miradouros, the city opens up in a sea of terracotta tiles and sparkling blue water. Walking here is like navigating a living museum of resilience and tradition. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Sé de Lisboa stands as a monument to the Reconquista, its stones weathered by centuries of history. As evening falls, the melancholic notes of fado begin to drift through these narrow streets. Now, we follow the river west to Belém, the gateway to Portugal's Age of Discovery. The Torre de Belém was the last site explorers like Vasco da Gama saw before sailing into the unknown. Its intricate manueline architecture is a love letter to the sea, featuring stone ropes and armillary spheres. Once a defensive fortress, it now stands as a symbol of Portugal's global maritime legacy. Inside, every stone carries the weight of 5 centuries of secrets. From above, you can see how the tower guards the entrance to the Tagus. Nearby sits the Geronimos Monastery, a UNESCO masterpiece funded by the spice trade. It took 100 years to complete this sanctuary for the explorers who risked everything. The Padrão dos Descobrimentos honors those who mapped the world we know today. Prince Henry leads a procession of explorers, cartographers, and dreamers. At its feet, a giant compass rose maps out the routes of the great caravels. But Belém isn't just about stone, it's about flavor. The secret recipe of pastéis de Belém is legendary. Over 20,000 of these custard tarts are served here every single day. Lisbon also looks to the future with the Matte Museum, where art and technology meet the water. It's one of the best spots to watch the sunset over the Tagus. The journey between the old and the monumental is best taken by the riverfront trams. The light in Lisbon is unlike anywhere else in Europe, soft, golden, and timeless. We've only scratched the surface of this incredible city in our first part. In part 2, we'll descend into the elegant streets of Baixa and the artistic soul of Chiado. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part 2.